Got running lights, headlights, fog lights. Now let me go ahead and hit my switch for these lights. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you these LED pod lights that I just installed on my lifted Ford Ranger. So you can see them from the inside, right on the hood. Let me go ahead and hop out and show you what they look like. So this is what they look like from the outside. Now I got these off Amazon. They are made by Nilight. I don't know a model number or anything like that, but they just clamp onto the hood. Unfortunately, the harness is a little bit short, so I had to, jam a wire down in there, which I'd rather have it over here like I have on this one. This one's ran down over here. It's not being pinched. Alrighty, so coming from this pod light, it already comes with these connectors. They just clip right in. I have the harness ran all the way across to the other side, right here. I did have to make this a little bit longer. I wish I made it a tad bit longer still, so that could be tucked up out of the way, but I might redo it one of these days. I got the proper butt connectors on here, electrical tape on them. Follow this wire over here. It's all got the proper connectors. I just wrapped everything in electrical tape, but I did make wires that run underneath the truck. See them right here. They're kind of hanging down. I gotta fix that. It's not totally done yet because I'm not sure what I want to do with the switch, so I left the extra wire. But that runs along the whole entire frame under the cab. And I ran it up through that little hole right there. I just took out one of those rubber plugs and put a plastic one in so the wires can fit through. And all of that I ran up underneath my vinyl flooring, all underneath, and it comes out over here into the switch. Like I said, not sure what I want to do with the switch yet, so that's why I have all this extra wire and the switch just sitting there, because I think I want to get a light panel or light switch panel to mount over here, because I eventually want to do rock lights, and that's probably about it. So I'd want to have a nice little panel over here. So that explains all that extra wire hanging around. But let's go ahead and turn them on. Well, before we do that, it does come with a relay, which I conveniently mounted right here. It looks factory to me. Looks pretty good, and it has a inline fuse right here at the 15 amp fuse. And that's basically it. Yeah, it's a good kit. I just wish this was a little bit longer so I didn't have to do this. But I'm gonna end up fixing this because I don't like the way it looks just sitting there. I wish I could tuck all the wires up underneath right here. So I'll redo that one of these days when I have time. But enough rambling about this kit. Let's go ahead and turn these on. See, I did something right. They work. Go ahead and close the hood. So yeah, that's what they look like, and I'm also going to get some nighttime clips for you guys. So whenever it's nighttime and I do have time, I'm not working, I'll try to go out there and get some nighttime clips. I did put them on the back road over here on the way to work yesterday, and man, those things are bright. They light up everything because it's some thick wilderness over here in Florida. So let's go ahead and cut to when I have them on at night. Alright guys, so I finally found some time at night where it's not raining and I can actually record to show you guys what these hood Nilight pod lights on the hood.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Actually look like at nighttime. So right now I got my headlights on. I'm going to go ahead and turn everything off. Got running lights, headlights, fog lights. Now let me go ahead and hit my switch for these lights. As you can see, they light up everything. And the glare on the hood that everyone told me would be really bad is not bad at all. So that's with them on, off, on, off. Now if I go ahead and turn my headlights completely off, and we'll just go ahead and hit these pod lights. They're super bright. They look absolutely incredible. Anyways guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you did enjoy. I hope you like these lights. Let me know in the comments if you do, and I will link them in the description, so in case you guys want to buy these for your vehicle, you know where to get them. See you guys in the next video.